Hello, everybody. It's Keroy King here. How is everybody doing? All right. So, I have a point for you on page 38. Lightning bolt. Ooh. Okay. I experienced love like a lightning bolt. All darkness was revealed with no place to hide, and truth came to the surface to be seen and corrected. I cleaned up from misery to joy as the long nights of wonder turned to full days of bliss. If love is this strong into people, I wondered, catalyzing each other to greatness, revealing truths that were never told. How does one day, so called Valentine, fail to combat the atmosphere into pieces? I wondered, I pondered. There is love, I'm told, and there is the idea of love. Once struck by love, you'll never be the same. Like a lightning bolt through your spine, like Cupid's arrow through your heart, you will know when love strikes your heart. You will know. Well, this poem was inspired by my experience with love. The power is so strong, activating every being of you, and very electrical too, physically and tangibly electrical. When your heart has awakened and it's expanding, even the light bulbs flicker. This is reality. And it made me wonder, on a day where, supposing Valentine's Day, where everyone is celebrating and everyone says they're in love, I always wonder why things don't erupt, because love is very electrical and there is a real tangible power converting things. That's why I say, if you've been struck by love, you will know. You won't have to question or wonder. You will know everything will turn for the better, actually. You know? As always, it's correct. Talk to you soon. Bye.